Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see different ways to lock keyboard in Windows. Chapter 1. Lock Windows keyboard from Device Manager. To begin, right-click on the Start menu. In the list, click Device Manager. There you will go to the Keyboard section. Right-click on the driver and select the Uninstall Device option. Confirm the operation. To leave the keyboard locked, do not reboot the system. Clicking Restart Now at Login will install the driver again. Chapter 2. Lock Windows keyboard from console. To start in the search engine, enter the word CMD. Now open the console as administrator, accept system permissions. Run the on-screen command to lock the keyboard. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. You are now going to restart Windows for this change to take effect. After this, validate that the keyboard is not working. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.